Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Evite dashboard. So once you click on the Evite page, or once you sign up, it should appear this way, just like this. And then you can go to your sign in. Okay, mine has automatically signed me in. Now you have your graduation section, the baby section, kids birthday, adult birthday, parties, wedding, business. Upload your own greetings, sign up sheets. You can just scroll through any of these sections here and choose the one you would love to work on or work with. You can also just scroll down to see a collection of all the types of invitation themes they have, or invitation or card themes they have, even birthday and greeting cards. So it just depends on what you're actually looking for. But no matter what you want, Invite has got you covered here, and you would get almost everything you need. So guys, this is how to actually navigate and find out what you need on Evite. I'll see you guys in the next one.